Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite lotions. Me and my sister-in-law are obsessed with Bath & Body Works. We just love their stuff. Their lotions are always great, they smell great, they work great, and they're long-lasting. So for my birthday a couple years back, she had got me a white tea and ginger set with the lotion and the body spray, and I hadn't been able to find it in stores, but luckily I was able to find this online, so I was super happy about that. So the white tea and ginger fragrance is one of my most favorite. Bath & Body Works is awesome. They're just a great store, mostly lotions, body sprays, but they have like other skincare items as well that they make, as well as the wallflowers, which are like diffusers that you could plug into the outlet in your house and wonderful scents come out. And now they even have like prepackaged gifts and stuff like that with candles, and it's just an awesome store. If you're not familiar with it, it's definitely one of my most favorite, and anything I get from there, especially as a gift, I always love. So white tea and ginger, this is the bottle. I think they've changed the label a few times, but it shows you the ginger root and the white tea leaf. So this is a body lotion with aloe and vitamin E. It's from the Signature Collection by Bath & Body Works, and this is the 8-ounce, 236 milliliter plastic container, so it's recyclable. If you turn to the back, it says, our classic white tea and ginger fragrance delicately balances refreshing tea leaves with fresh spices to soothe the senses. Top is Japanese Yuzu, lemon zest, white tea, Bergamot. Mid, white Geranium, fresh Nutmeg, rose petals, Earl Grey tea. Dry, clean Musk, white woods, mulberry, ginger. Our body lotion is the perfect daily moisturizer. Yes, it is. You could certainly use it every day. I've had this one for like 2 months now, and it's about half the way full or half the way empty. It contains aloe vera and vitamin E. It leaves skin feeling conditioned. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. And the ingredients we have listed here. So water, aqua, glycerin, petrolatum, acetyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, fragrance, perfume, dimethicone, cetyreth 20, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, macadamia ternifolia seed oil, avena sativa oat, kernel extract, tocopherol acetate, pyrus malice apple fruit extract, vitis vinifera grape seed extract, camellia sinensis leaf extract, citrus junos fruit extract, zingiber affinel ginger root extract, diazolyl urea, carbomer, propylene glycol, benzyl alcohol, sodium hydroxide, tetrasodium EDTA, disodium EDTA, ascorbic acid, methylparaben, propylparaben, benzyl benzoate, citral limonene, geranol, hexyl cinnamol, Unalol, yellow 5, yellow 6, and red 40. Sorry, thank you so much for bearing with me while trying to pronounce all those ingredients there. And ingredients are important just in case like any of you guys have an allergy to anything specific. It's always nice to know what's in the product that you're using. Very important to me, at least, that it's not tested on animals. I think that's awesome. Then Bath & Body Works distributors in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and then there's the phone number if you need to call them, and then you could shop 24/7 at bathandbodyworks.com, but you can find this on other websites as well. Like say this is discontinued by Bath & Body Works in the store and online, you could find it in other places, which is great. Recycle symbol on the back so you can recycle this, and I'm just going to put a little bit on so you guys can see the consistency. So I just squeezed a little bit out so you guys can see. It's like an off-white color. It smells marvelous. It really does smell beautiful. It's just like floral and light and not overly done and not heavily perfumed. It's just the right amount of scent, and this is definitely something that you could use daily. You could use this instead of lotion if you guys don't like to put like a heavy lotion on, or perfume. You could use it instead. I'm sorry, I didn't mean instead of lotion. I meant to say you could use this instead of perfume. If you guys don't want to use a heavy perfume and just want to have something light on, then this is a great option for you. So this is Bath & Body Works Signature Collection White Tea and Ginger. So I hope you guys try it out. I hope you love the lotion. I hope you love how moisturizing it is, and I hope you love the fragrance. Thanks so much for watching, guys.